There's the elevator there. There's the cinema up there. Let's take a ride. Okay, let's go up to 2R. Bit bouncy. Yeesh, it's bouncy. It's gonna open up on over here. Oh, that's not out. It's not really out of order. There's the theater. There's the man-powered elevator. We were just down there. Let's go back. There's South Main Street. Let's go down the public elevator. There we go. "125 feet a minute, 2,500 pound capacity." Let's focus here. That closes. Call cancel that first. Let's get a cab view here. Pretty nice Schindler, I gotta say. Well, it's an outdoor elevator, but it's still pretty nice. And that's going to be it. I bet we have a call because that just lit up. It's taking forever to level. That's it.